much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Alex mad. Alex mad. Alex mad. Alex mad. Alex.
Hey! Look at what it is! Whoa! It's a giant red truck, and it's really dirty! Today, we are going to wash and get it squeaky clean! Come on! Whoa! Look at all this poop! Okay, and a little bit more on the bed back here. Look at this giant scoop! Okay, one last one. Ready? I'm gonna throw it from really far away. Scoot back a little, okay? Bums away! Okay, I think that's enough flour. Okay, let's see. I think we should get it a little bit more dirty. Now I have the perfect thing. Oh, yeah! Hot sauce! I love hot sauce! Let's put a little hot sauce on the truck. But first, since I like it... This helps! Whoa, that was really hot. Okay, ketchup and mustard. Come on! Here we go! Whee! Whee! Whoa! Oh, let's get some on the tire. Okay, let's do... Oh, I have an idea. Let's take the yellow mustard and let's do a smiley face. Ready? It's a smiley face! Okay, let's take the red ketchup, stay right there, and we'll make a red frown face, okay? Ready? That's so much fun! Okay, we need to get some coins so we can wash the truck now. $5. Okay, let's put it in the slot.
Here comes the money! Here we go, money talk! Here comes the money! Talking money, then you're fucking no matter. Jeans, like wings, hat and pockets. Dollar, and the damn soul, stop it. Here comes the kid on the block. Hold on, your best hit with the boss stop. See, the wrong step and I roll my own. Back to my elevator, with my old rolls. Spit my blood, call it homegrown. Force reasons I got the phone. That's what it me got me crazy, got me. No longer need you, poppy. I know you're mad, they fucking can't stop me. And if they wonder how this players are your money.
Whoa! Okay, got the money.
Alex mad. 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 Alex mad.
Okay, I'm gonna go put this back. You stay right here, and then we'll wash it with our hands, okay? Stay right here. With that water gun. We got it pretty clean.